Hello to my awesome people, and welcome to another episode of Journey to Tech with Craig. Thank you for joining me on this journey so far. I'm also excited about what I'm going to be talking about today. I'm going to talk about some ways that you can use to supercharge your software testing skills today, because I know a lot of you want to get into the tech space and some might consider software testing. So, are you ready for it? Let's get straight into it. When I started my career in software testing, I got a job, but I really did not know how to boost my skills. I did not know how to progress forward. I just saw software testing as just simply a job where you check for bugs and all of that. And the truth is, I really did not know what to do. But thankfully, as I got more into the job, I found a way, and also opportunities showed up where I worked as well. So today, I'm going to share with you 4 ways to supercharge and boost your software testing skills. So let's get on this rocket so that we can boost our way into software testing. Booster number 1, ISTQB certification. This was where I started, because when I got my first job in software testing, that's when I learned that there was actually a certification for it. ISTQB stands for International Software Testing Qualifications Board. I was so surprised that this field that seemed so simple on the surface had something such as this. What I found was that it teaches you the fundamentals of software testing, and it also exposes you to different cool techniques that you can use to uncover those bugs and defects. What I like also about ISTQB is that they allow you to do self-study, because they have a lot of free resources on their sites so that you can be equipped with the knowledge and that you can prepare for the exam. It has also personally helped me to do my job better, because whenever I prepare test cases, I use the techniques that were taught to me in that program. So I'm going to share a little bit about their site, and I'm going to show you different areas where they give you free resources. So let's look into it. This is one of ISTQB's roadmap sites. As you can see here, you can see a recommended roadmap based on what you require. They recommend that everyone start at the foundation level, which of course will expose you to the basic techniques and tools in quality assurance and software testing. Once you get that certification, you have so many more that you can choose from. You can choose the technical tester, the agile testing. You also have AI testing, performance testing, model-based testing, you name it. There are lots of certifications to choose from. Let's take a look at the syllabus. We're going to go to the resources section. Going to take a quick look at the syllabus. Let me zoom out just a little bit, and you'll find that you have free resources that you can use for self-study. This syllabus contains the basic material that you need to sit the certified tester exam. Additionally to the syllabus, you have sample questions and answers that you can use to practice for your exam. In terms of the cost for the certification, it's around US $229. I think that is fairly reasonable, but this is something that you can consider as well. If you need more further details, what I'm going to do is post the link in the description below this video so that you can explore this option some more in your free time. Booster number 2, online courses. There are many options to choose from, such as Coursera and Udemy. I know for sure that I used these 2 sites a lot. You can level up your knowledge at a usually reasonable cost. Compared to doing like a major certification, you can use these types of courses in order to get some knowledge for a way cheaper cost. For example, I saw an ISTQB software testing course for about US dollars $74.99. And by taking some of these courses, it has personally helped me to level up on my knowledge. So they have different types of software testing courses available, from manual testing to automated testing. And I'm going to show you some examples on both Coursera and Udemy as well. This is Coursera. Searching for software testing courses, you'll find courses for foundations of software testing, introduction to software testing, as well as test automation. Let's look at the foundations of software testing. As you can see, they say it's geared to a beginner level, and they give you information on the modules, the recommendations for taking the course, and they also let you know of the cost. You can enroll for free, maybe for about a week, maybe up to a month, I'm not certain. But if you click on enroll for free, you can see the cost of the course, which is $49. On Udemy, you have several courses in software testing that you can find as well. It covers manual software testing, test automation, and other types of software testing such as performance testing. Let's look further into the ISTQB courses that help to prepare you for the ISTQB exams. And there are several options. And wow, I mentioned earlier that I saw an ISTQB Certified Tester Foundation level course for $74.99. But now I see that it is $9.99. And apparently they're having a Black Friday sale for the next 6 days. So if you're interested in preparing yourself for the ISTQB Foundation level exam, or you just simply want to gain some fundamental skills in software testing, I would suggest you take advantage of this price today. One of my other favorite courses was Selenium WebDriver with Python. This gave me the basic foundation that I needed for test automation using Python. The concepts were fairly easy to understand, and it took you from basic level upwards, and this includes teaching you Python from the basics. Booster number 3, online bootcamps. Online bootcamps. These are courses that teach you the fundamentals of different fields, and this also includes QA. They teach you the basic techniques of each field, and they also say that they help you to prepare for job interviews. An example is careerist.com. They have boot camps on manual QA and QA automation, and they even have a module for job interview preparation for the software testing field. As I did some research, the cost of the manual QA bootcamp is $4,000 if you pay it in full, and the total cost would be around $5,250 if you go on a payment plan. Unfortunately, I was not able to get the details of that plan in time, but what you can do is go to the site and sign up. Well, let me not say sign up. Well, yes, sign up to get additional information so that they can give you specifics of, for example, how much it would cost per month, etc., so that you can make your decision. I also looked at the cost of the QA automation bootcamp, and they said that the cost is $4,200 if you pay it in full, and $4,800 total if you go on a payment plan. Again, you would have to speak to them some more in order to get details of that payment plan. What I'm going to do is post the link to the Careerist bootcamps in the chat so that you can follow up for further details. It might seem like a lot, but maybe, especially with the component of getting one-on-one attention and also getting coaching in terms of your job interview sessions, it might be worth the cost because you may pay more initially, but then you might end up landing a higher paying job. So you can take a look and see if this is the right course for you. Booster number 4, internships. This is a fantastic way to get skills and experience in the software testing field. I have seen firsthand the benefits of this as students gain the software testing knowledge they didn't have before. In my previous job experience, we had students who came from universities who did not have an idea of what the software testing field is about. When they interned with us, they learned these skills and were able to develop some experience, and some of them were able to transition into full-time software testing jobs after they graduated. I had the privilege of helping to mentor some of these interns who eventually became software testers. And there you have it, folks. Those are the 4 boosters that you can use to help to supercharge your QA skills or your software testing skills. If you want to hear more, feel free to like, subscribe, and also share with someone who you think this will help. For more information on some tech courses that you can also use on your journey to tech, see the links in my description below the video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon in another video of Journey to Tech with Craig.